Hey everyone, let's talk about how you can revive your lawn in the spring and get it looking its best. Let us know any tips you have in the comments below. The first thing you should do is give your yard a cleaning. Rake up leaves from the fall, pick up branches and anything else that'll get in the way, and rake out any dead grass. Most of us keep our lawn mowers in the garage or a shed over winter, but it's time to take it out, dust it off, and give it a proper tune-up for the spring and summer seasons. While you're at it, sharpen the blade. A dull blade isn't good for the overall health of your lawn. For the first few times you mow your lawn, set the mower to a lower height. This will cut your grass shorter than normal, giving the sun and nutrients a better chance at reaching the base of the grass. After a few weeks, raise the height of your mower, and for the rest of the season, avoid cutting more than a third off the height of your grass in one mowing. This will protect the root system of your lawn. The best time to mow your lawn is in the evening. Cutting the lawn in the morning when the grass is full of moisture can spread lawn disease, and cutting in the afternoon means your lawn may get stressed out by the harsh afternoon sun. It's important to water your lawn regularly. 3 times a week is a great way to keep your lawn healthy. Try to water in the mornings because if you wait until the afternoon when the sun is hottest, your lawn is fighting evaporation. And if you water in the evenings, your lawn will retain moisture all night long, which can lead to fungus. A sprinkler timer can be a huge help to those of us who are particularly busy or forgetful. You'll also want to aerate your lawn. Over the winter months, soil in your yard compacts down and reduces air pockets. This means your lawn isn't getting the nutrients or water it needs. Aerating helps restore these pockets each year. Seeding your lawn is crucial for a consistent, lush yard. Spread grass seed across your whole lawn, giving extra attention to any areas where the grass is thin or prone to weeds. The next step is to fertilize your lawn, giving it the nutrient boost it needs. And lastly, don't neglect any weeds that sprout up. Nip that problem in the bud by walking your yard regularly and pulling any weeds you see. These tips will help you get your lawn on track to looking great for summer, but let us know any tips you have in the comments. While you're at it, visit us at Fix.com for other useful blogs, videos, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.